In this video, we will see how we can sort the values of first list using second list in Python. So the first list will have the our alphabets or some values into it, and the second list will have the index positions of it. So the second list would have 0, 1, 2, 3, anything into any order. And let's see how we can sort the first list using that index list. So before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss out on our videos. And now here we will talk only about one approach or the concept of it. So let's see what is the approach and how we can do it. So the approach is we will zip the two lists, then we will create a new sorted list based on the zip using sorted function. Then we will use list comprehension to extract the elements of each pair from the sorted zip list. So we will use list comprehension in our program, and the concept is that like the purpose of zip is to map a similar index of multiple containers so that it can be used just using as a single entity. Now it might be a bit confusing, so we will just talk about this in our code. So let's code it. Then you will get a clear idea about what I was talking or what this means exactly. So we have this to list, which is one of we have the values in the first list, and in the second we have the indexes. Then let's have the zipped list or zip pairs equals. We use zip function zip, and we pass in list 1 and list 2. So first of all we write list 2, then list 1, comma over here, not dot, so comma. So we have zipped our two lists, then we give z equals, and we have x for this, and x in sorted. So we have used this sorted function, then sorted. What sorted? So it sorts the zip pairs. So zip pairs is sorted, and now just return z. So we return the z. So now this will have the sorted values using the second list of using the second list we will sort the first list using this function. Now let's give the list 1 and list 2. So the list 1 will have, suppose it will have a, then suppose it will have p, then c, then d, e, f, g, then h and I will have h, and then last one will have I. So we have this I, and let's have the indexes. So we will have of this kind, so 0, 1, then 1 repeated, then again 0, again 1, then 2, then 2, sorry, then 2, then we'll have 0, then we'll have 1. So that's all. Then now print, now then we'll print our sort list. We'll call the sort list function and pass in this two lists, list 1 comma list. Now as you can see we have this first array sorted according to the second list. So this list is sorted according to the second list. So let's dry run, or I will explain more on that. So let's have the elements of the first list. So these are the elements of the first list. We'll copy them into our this list. So we have this, and now as you can see here in the second list we have 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, and over here we have used sorted zip pairs. So when we zip this and when we sort this, then this is what we have. So we have three zeros and four ones. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, comma, two twos. So just we'll align this into under every alphabet so that I can explain you better. So one behind, then let's have, oh, sorry, then two spaces, two spaces, two spaces. Yeah. Now, as you can see over here, the first element is 0 and it's A. So the first element is A. And now what this zipped folder or this for loop will do is, so it will take the first element from here and the zeroth index position, and the zeroth position index of the first list is A. Then the first is D, so we have a D second, then it will take the 2, then the second index position is H, so it will have H on the third, and then B, then we have B over here as 0, then we have B, then C as this will work as like the first will be 0, then 1, and then 2, the all the pairs which we have, sorted pairs or the unique pairs which we have, so we have 0, 1 and 2, so we have the starting of zeros and ones and twos, so 0, 1 and 2 we have. And now afterwards it will do, what it will do is, so the remaining zeros or the zero counter will be all will be printed, so we will have B and C. And then afterwards we will have only one of the second printed, so here we will be printed E, and then we have second index as I, so I will be printed, and after which, after this is printed, then we will have F and G printed. If it had J and J also had 2, so that won't be mattered, and only F and G will be printed, and after F and G the J will be printed. So that's how this works, zipping and using sort and for loop into the function of ours. So we can sort the values of first list using second list by this way, and this is the function to do this. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, put down in the comment section below and we'll get back to your doubts. Thank you.